The latest numbers in on the COVID vaccination effort here at home. Nearly 45,000 people in the valley partially or fully vaccinated, and some of them first responders.
But Channel 5's Christian Colon tells us one city says not enough of their staff are protected.
McAllen officials want more of their police officers and firefighters to be vaccinated. They say they have spoken to health officials dealing with the vaccines, but have gotten nowhere.
For the past month, local Valley hospitals allowing police and fire officials to get the COVID-19 vaccine. But in McAllen, only about 30% of their first responders have been vaccinated. A number city manager Roy Rodriguez says they want to change.
We wanted to start with police officers and firefighters for the obvious reasons. You know, they interact with the community on a daily basis through no fault of their own. They don't have a choice. They've got to interact with the public.
Despite those interactions with the public, according to state guidelines, they don't specifically qualify under Phase 1A or Phase 1B. But because of the state's concern that every shot be administered as quickly as possible, hospitals have been told to pivot. And one concern McAllen leaders are facing is scheduling.
You can't have a police officer or firefighter that's on shift wait for hours out there to get a vaccine, and then in the end, maybe not even get it. And so we're hoping that this process improves. It has to improve because this is just not working. It's just not working.
Rodriguez says he knows the city is not alone in wanting more vaccines, and he understands it's a supply issue. Mayor Jim Darling adding the problem is in D.C.
We need to plead to our elected officials that
Bacon County.
And you know, when you talk to everybody you talk to, they say they kind of throw their hands up.
Another solution could be to become their own vaccine provider and apply to the state, something Rodriguez says they did when it came to COVID-19 testing, where they hired a lab and technicians.
We're having those discussions right now internally. Hopefully we can have them with the county and the state so we can move that type of program forward.
We did reach out to state health officials about the city's concern. They say supply is limited by both the manufacturer's ability to produce the vaccine and the amount allocated to Texas. They urge people to be patient. Christian Colon, Channel 5 News.